The rhythm, the pitch, the sound, every key, every note. The rhythm just like fire, beautiful to watch, but impossible to touch. But as time passes, does it burn out? No, the melody gets quicker, faster, stronger. The beat, the melody, the harmony, every key, every note. The harmony like fire. What seems to be uncontrolled is just the opposite. Controlled, dominated, determined, mastered. Years of practice, hours of perfection, for what? Not for the money, not for the fame, but for the pleasure of carrying an ongoing flame. Fire, a torch that will never burn out. Music, a legacy that will never end. Fire, even after the flame dies, you can still feel the warmth. Music, after the rhythm ends, you can still feel the sound. Feel the music, feel the fire. Melody is heat.
What it's all about. Music can be a stress reliever. Music makes a doubter a believer. Music comes from the soul. Music, it ain't about cars. Old can spit the fastest bars. Not even who have the biggest guitars. Music is passion. It'll never go out of style like the latest fashion. Music helped me get through life. Also helped me clear my vision on Christ. All it takes is one sacrifice. Music can help you make life, sometimes set things right. Music is priceless, it can make your own. You sometimes cry, sometimes make it shy, but it's in your heart and it never lies. One time when it comes down to toe tapping, song snapping music, I got it.